Hello everyone, this is Billy. I've created the background music for my games, so let me show you. First the Space Invader, and I choose the Star Wars sound. The sound is created using the Micropython interrupt, so the notes are played when the timer interrupt happens, and we shift to the next note using the pulse wave modulation pins that connects to the speaker. We can send out a frequency which is defined by the song. I've put this updated library, the game OGO.py, which will work for the Odroid Go handheld arcade machines. You can download from my GitHub and play this game, the Invader. And I can use the R key to shift to the other song. This is the second theme song of Star Wars, Imperial March. And you can switch to the Tetris theme song or turn it off. So let's try this Empire Strikes Back theme song and play the game. I'm still trying to make the sound coexist with the sound effects like the bullets. Right now when a bullet is happening, the background music will be chopped off, because I'm only using one pin for the speaker. If I have two pins for the speaker, maybe I can have the background music on one pin and the sound effect on another pin, and then we tie these two pins to the speaker. The way the Odroid Go speaker works is pin 25 is a DAC that controls the volume of the sound, and pin 26 is tied to the pulse wave modulation that controls the actual frequency of the sounds that you are hearing now. So we can't do it like the Odroid boy that play two pins with two different frequencies unless you change the circuit of Odroid Go. Okay, let me show you the Tetris game with the music on. Again, you can use the right key to switch the theme song. Or turn it off. Let's try to play. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.